everybody, nice to see you again. This is OLA the teacher. Today we are putting together the vehicle dominoes. Do you want to help me? Let's get started. And remember to click the subscribe button down below. Let's put together the vehicle dominoes. Let's start with this vehicle. What can you see? This is an ambulance. Ew. Can you find another ambulance that looks exactly the same as this one? Where is the ambulance? Here it is. Very good. The ambulance. Now take a look at this one. This is a crane. Can you find the yellow crane? Where is the yellow crane? Can you show me? Very good. This is a yellow crane. Let's put the yellow crane here, like this. Wow, look. This is the train. Choo choo. This is the red train. Let's find another train. Choo choo. Can you see? Very good. Here it is. The red train. Let's put it this way. Now, take a look at this vehicle. It's a dump truck. Can you find another dump truck? Where is it? Can you see? Yes, here it is. Very good. Let's put the dump truck like this. Now, take a look at this one. It's an excavator. Can you find an excavator somewhere? Where is an excavator? Here it is. Very good. Let's put the excavator here. Very good. Wow, now look at this one. It's a tractor. Can you find another tractor? A tractor? Where is the tractor? Here it is. Very good. A green tractor. Let's put it like this. Now let's find a cement mixer. Where is a cement mixer? Here. Very good. Let's put the cement mixer this way. Wow, now look at this picture. It's a plane. Can you find another plane? Here it is. Let's put the plane like this. Wow, look, this is a bus, a double-decker bus. Can you find another red bus here? Here it is, a red bus. Wow, well done. Now let's find a car. Beep, beep. Where is the car? Can you see? Let's find the car together. Here it is. Very good. Let's put the car this way. Wow, now let's find a yellow submarine. Can you see a yellow submarine somewhere? Here it is. Very good. It's a submarine. Now, let's find a boat. Can you see a boat? Where is a boat? Here it is. Very good. Let's put a boat like this. Perfect. Now, can you find a canoe? Where is the canoe? Let's find the canoe. Here it is. Look, the canoe. Now it's time to find the balloon. Where is the balloon? Hot air balloon. Can you see? Here it is. Very good. And the rocket? Where is the rocket? Here. The rocket. Now let's find the motorcycle. Can you see the motorcycle somewhere? Yes, this is the motorcycle. And the race car? Where is the race car? Here it is, the yellow race car. Very good. Now let's find the red helicopter. Can you see the helicopter? Here it is. Perfect. Let's put the helicopter like this. And the speedboat? The speedboat is here. And now it's time for the scooter. Here is the scooter. And the bicycle? Can you see the bicycle? Here, bravo. Now let's find a purple scooter. Can you see a purple scooter somewhere? Here it is, of course. Very good. And a police car. Ew. Here it is, a police car. Bravo. We put all parts of the dominoes together. Well done, everybody. Thank you for helping me. Please remember to click the subscribe button down below and see you next time. Bye-bye.